Hey guys, I'm showing you this 1:14 scale remote control truck giant wheels remote control car. So it's a all-terrain RC off-road monster truck. So this is for the boys and girls to play with it. These are the all accessories and things that comes with it, with manual, stickers, battery. So there are two chargers and two batteries. That's really nice. And so you can have extra time for the quick turnover. So Yep, so it have this supplied screwdriver as well. So have this another battery inside this. So just to connect this battery so that we can just work on it and have some fun. So be careful with the clips thing. Once this is set, just put this back. So on and off switch, and then you have to put the batteries inside this remote control. So this is a very big size and the big tires and really a great monster truck with the looks itself. So let's see how this thing will work. So I put in the batteries, I start this remote control. So the light is on, it will just turn up. Yeah, it's connected. So these are also the stickers that you can put do-it-yourself thing on the monster truck the way you want. Very soft like this type of tires, like a punctureless, and also like the movement. So big tires, big monster truck. So you can put the stickers all over. So let's start. So I see like the speed and control is really nice with this type of remote control, like up and down, and then there is a rotation like up and down, and then the rotation on the side like a wheel. So it's basically a nice thing, and the speed is really fast. I can say like you can see the turning of the wheels. So that's how you control this monster truck, and it's basically a very nice one to have fun with.